Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Hungani Lovu and Stephanie. They recently broke up. I don't know whether they finalized divorce or what, but they were shot for 6 years, and it seems like it didn't work out for them. But in News 24 told us what. Hungani and Stephanie Ndlovu end their 6 year marriage in an amicable split. In a surprising turn of events, beloved actors Hungani Ndlovu and Stephanie Sandoz Ndlovu have ended their 6 year marriage. The news broke by News 24 earlier yesterday reveals that the couple has reached a settlement agreement, seating an irreparable disintegration of their relationship, a trend increasingly common among couples married over 5 years. According to a 2023 Human Science Research Council study that reported a 40% rise in divorce rates due to shifting social expectations. Then Ndlovu, who tied the knot in an intimate garden wedding on February 23, 2019. Wow. So it's 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It's actually 7 years, but then when I was 5 years, I don't understand. I mean 6 years. And they celebrated their fourth anniversary publicly in 2023, were seen as model couple. Known for their roles on the popular soapy Scandal, the pair often shared glimpses of their life together, endearing them to fans. While the full reason behind the breakup remains private, the announcement has sparked discussion about the pressure of fame and evolving landscape of marriage in South Africa. As the nation processes this celebrity split, then Ndlovu's journey serves as a poignant reminder of the complexity behind even the most picture-perfect unions. So this must be a lesson to all of us because people may post picture-perfect pictures, but behind closed doors, they're going through a lot. And everyone, guys, everyone is going through a lot, especially when it comes to relationships. I won't say bakhona abantu abahappy for isikhathi eside. My relationship and my ups and downs, but it's how you, the partners of that relationship, handle each other. Guys, excuse me, I'm not bells you. It's how you guys handle each other. So when it comes to Uhungani and Stephanie, I think they were so done with each other, and now Basafu next. I wonder who's wrong. But let us not want to know who's wrong. So guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.